So student words, it's available in 38th line. I hope you got it, guys. Right? Next. Grep is a command. Hyphen B is an option. V means excluding that particular word. So apart from particular word, everything we need to print. For example, we should not print the root word. Apart from root word, everything we need to print. We are avoiding root word lines. etc password. Apart from root word, everything it will print. Hyphen B is an option. Excluding that particular word, everything it is going to print. Don't worry, while we are discussing scripting at the time, I will tell you where we need to use those all the options. At present, remember how we need to filter the words from file, right? Exactly how we need to use this filter commands, I will show you, don't worry. First of all, try to learn how we need to execute. Then we are going to implement those filter commands with some different command with combination, and then we are going to filter according to our requirement, right? So let it learn, like let it concentrate, guys, here. So get the sorry, grep hyphen B means excluding. V means excluding that particular word. Everything it will print. Right, guys? I hope you got it. Good. Next, we are trying to creating one file with the help of cat command. Cat is a command, space greater than, for example, file one. Then hit enter. We are trying to writing few words inside this file one. For example, hello is a word, right? Hello. Then first letter capital H and remaining small, capital hello. So like this, we are writing the same word, hello word. We are trying to writing into different cases. Few hellos will have in small letters, few hello will have into capital letter, and one first letter small h will have, first letter capital H, like this hello words will have, right? Now we are using grep command, right? We are trying to filtering hello is a word, right? From file one. Actually, how many hellos will have? Four hellos will have in file one. But if you're providing hello, it is printing only one hello. Why? Because Linux is a case sensitive. Linux is a case sensitive, right? So it's a case sensitive. We provided small hello. Because of that reason, it will print only small hello. Right, guys? So grep is a command. We need to avoid this case sensitive. Hyphen I is an option. So we need to filter. It may be small letter hellos, it may be capital letter hellos, whatever it may be. We need to avoid the case sensitive, in the sense we should use hyphen small I option. Then hello. Then file name file one. See, hyphen I, what it will do? It will avoid the case sensitive, right? It will print small letters hellos and capital letters everything. How many hello words will have into our file? Each and every hello it will print. So I hope you got it, guys. Clear? Right. So grep hyphen I, it will avoid the case sensitive. It will print small letters hellos and capital letters hellos both. Got it, guys? Next, grep, for example, N capital B4. Grep hyphen N, number, capital B means before, 4 means 4 lines. Got it, guys? For example, we are providing one word called wheel. Wheel is a word. It's a default group, guys. Actually, wheel. I will tell you what is wheel while we are discussing about pseudo permissions at the time. Okay. Now you can consider wheel is a one word. This wheel word we are trying to finding from etc group. See, guys, here wheel word it will print, right? Along with the wheel word, we'll get 4 lines before. Wheel is a 11th line. We'll get 10th, 9, 8, and 7. Before wheel board, we'll get 4 lines. I hope you got it, guys. Grep is a command space hyphen n. N means number. Capital B we should provide. Capital B means before. 4 means 4 lines. Before wheel board, we'll get 4 lines. I hope you got it, guys. Before wheel board line, we'll get 4 lines. Clear? So this wheel board, we are trying to filtering from etc group. etc group is a file. So instead of etc password, we take an etc group. So this is also one predefined file in our operating system. I'll tell you what is etc password, etc group and everything. Don't need to bother. At present, consider instead of creating the file, we are using few predefined files. We need huge content for doing the demonstration. I hope you got it, guys, right? So grep is a command. You can give any number, guys. And B6 you can give, B10 you can give, B8 you can give. B means capital B. Before 4 lines, it will print, okay? So for example, we are providing wheel word etc group. See here. Before 6 lines, it will print. Wheel word it will print. Along with the wheel word, we'll get before 6 lines. Right? Right. Like the same way, hyphen N A, capital A 4. After 4 lines, it will print. Right? After 4 lines, it will print. So after wheel words, we'll get 4 lines. 12, 13, 14, 15. So B means before. So before wheel word, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 will have. So A means after. After wheel word, we are going to get the 4 lines. Wheel word, it will print anyway. Along with the wheel word, after 4 lines also it will print. So I hope you got it, guys. So let's see here. We are trying to providing 6. Then you are going to get the 6 lines after wheel word. I hope you got it, guys. So clear. So how we need to find out the words from file with the help of grep command, right? Grep is a command, hyphen E is an option, root is a word, again hyphen E, student is a word, then etc password. Multiple words also you can filter. We provided only one word, right? Yes, wheel is a word, or otherwise root word, student word we provided. But here we are trying to filtering multiple words. Root and as well as student. Both the words we are trying to filtering from etc password file. See here. If you want, you can add numbers also. If you need number, hyphen n you can add, you will get the line numbers also. I hope you're clear, guys. Hyphen E is an option to filter the multiple words from single file. So can we able to filter the single word from multiple files? I hope you got it, guys. Now we filter multiple word from one file, right? Now can we able to filter only one word from multiple files? Yes, we can. So it's a very easy, guys. Grep is a command, root is a word, etc password is a file, and etc group is a file. We are trying to filtering root word, right? So we are trying to filtering root word from etc password as well as from etc group. Then hit enter. See, clearly it will show you this both the line it belongs to etc password, this last line it belongs to etc group. I hope you got it, guys. So frequently we are going to use like this options with grep command. Guys, not only words, if you want, you can find out the files also from directory using grep. Grep will form global regular expression print. In our operating system, globally, we can able to find out anything. It may be files, it may be directories, it may be words from file. Already you know how we need to filter the words from file. Then we'll see how we need to filter the files from directories. I hope you got it. Now we are going to use multiple commands to filter the files from directories. I'm coming. Okay. So find अगर भूल गया आप कहाँ पे है बोल के फाइल राइट उसको फाइंड करने के लिए वो भी पढ़ाऊंगा डोंट वरी राइट सो क्लियर गाइस सो आई होप यू गॉट इट एज ऑफ नाउ यस numbers e to find out the multiple words no need to provide any so same single word and then multiple file names side by side you need to provide यहाँ पे ना so grep root is a word and we are finding root word from multiple files etc password is a one file and space etc group is a one file right guys I hope you got it right next clear now how we need to find out the files from directories will say right so better to switch to dev directory dev contain yes guys device files right so check the list क्या चाहिए आपको यही है लाइन वो लास्ट cd dev right cd dev so we are into dev directory if you want to can check pwd right slash dev is a directory then check the list ls-l we have n number of the files right few content it got scroll up right now I need to filter only block files how you're going to find out the block files yes guys how you're going to find out the block file how you're identifying the block file yes very good Vinay will have b in front of the file name that is block file if you're having the c in front of the file name excuse me guys character character files if you're having d in front of the file name directory if you're having l in front of the file name link file right now we need to filter only block files how if you execute the ls-l command it will list out the directory content right how we are going to identify the block file we should have the b in front of the file name so if you're executing ls-l from here to here it's a total output from output the first letter should be like this files we need to filter ls-l pipe piping pipe symbol you have the enter key right in above enter key will have the pipe symbol in reverse slash shift use reverse slash you will get the pipe symbol ls-l what it will do it will list out the directory content how many files and directories will have it is going to list pipe piping grep is a command grep excuse me guys grep is a command cap is a expression cap expression what it will do in the sense it is going to consider from your output first letter got it guys cap expression what it will do it is going to consider from your output first letter should be simple guys I hope you know very well about weightlifting like dumbbells, what we say, weightlifting, right? So we have two different plates. We are going to join with that both the plates with the help of one pipe, right? Assume this two different command, two different plates, left side, right side. How you're going to lift those both the plates with the help of one pipe, right? So we are going to connect those both the plates using one pipe. So with the help of this pipe, you're going to lift those both the plates. Like the same way, we are executing multiple command with the help of this pipe symbol at a time with combination. ls-l is a command, right? grep is another command. We are trying to using those both the commands at a time. We are trying to executing. That is a use of pipe. We can able to execute the multiple commands with combination with pipe symbol, piping. Got it? So ls-l is a command pipe. We are using grep filter command. So grep, what it will do, according to our requirement from that output, we are going to filter. What kind of output we need? We require only block files. So how you're going to find out the block files? You should have the B in front of the file name in output. So in output, first letter we need to consider, in the sense we should use one expression called cap. Cap is an expression. It will consider first letter from our output. Then what kind of first letter we should have? B we should have. So those all block files. Then hit enter. See, I hope you got it. First letter will have B. Like this files, everything it will filter. ls command, list command, and as well as we are executing grep command along with ls. Because of that reason, we can able to filter only block files from that list. I hope you got it, guys. Clear? Good. Now we need to filter character files. C. You'll have C in front of the file. If you need directories, you can use D. You'll get the directories, right? Okay. Now we need to consider the last letter from output. ls-l, pipe symbol, grep, right? T, I need last letter from output. It's not a file name, guys. In our output, last letter should T, like this files I need to filter. T dollar. Cap is an expression. It will consider first letter from output. Dollar is an expression. It will consider last letter from output. See here. Last letter T files, everything it will filter. It may be files, it may be directories. I hope you got it, guys. Clear? Then ls-l, then grep. Directly, if you want, you can provide the file name also. So without any expression, cap and dollar, without any cap and dollar, if you're providing file name, it will consider as a file name. So how many STA files will have, it will print. I hope you got it, guys. Right? Cap is an expression. It will consider first letter from output. Dollar is an expression. It will consider last letter from output. If you're providing the name, it will consider the file name without any expression. Got it? ls-l is a command. It will list. Not only with ls, grep command you can execute with multiple commands. According to our situation, I will tell you, don't worry. I hope you got it, guys. Going forward, we are going to discuss many chapters will have. We didn't complete still. We are into basics itself only. Right? Where we need to use exactly the grep command, everything I will show you, don't worry. Depends upon our situation. I hope you're clear, guys. How we need to use grep command to find out the words from file, to find out the files from word. Clear? Got it? Right. One more useful command will have WC. WC. Word count, guys. WC is a command, word count. Right? This is a grep completer, then WC. WC is a command, word count, right? Word count, we are trying to providing one file name here, etc password. In this etc password file, how many lines will have, how many words will have, how many characters will have, everything we can able to get, right? WC is a command, WC will form word count, right? So 38 lines will have an etc password. 66 words will have an etc password. 1917 characters will have an etc password. Right, guys? WC hyphen L is option. WC hyphen L is option. Then etc password. How many lines will have an etc password? It will show you 38 lines will have. So WC hyphen W words etc password is a file name. 66 words will have. Then WC hyphen C, how many characters will have? It will show you. Now we need to filter how many block files will have into dev directory. How many block files will have into dev directory? We need to know. With the help of WC, how we can able to get cd dev first of all. That's it, no? Cd dev ls hyphen l command. It will list out the directory content. Then what kind of file we require? Block file required. Cap B. Again, WC hyphen L. How many lines will have? It will show you. How many lines means how many files, right? 7. This is called real time. That's it. We have multiple commands according to our requirement. We are trying to reducing our work using multiple commands. Like this, we need to filter. Those all filter commands. Because of that reason, we are calling those all filter commands. Grep is a filter command. I hope you got it, guys. Clear? Good. Yes. Which one? Anil Reddy. Vinay. So directory count we are unable to see. Directory is different, file is different, Anil. Okay. So if you're providing WC slash dev, what will happen? It's a directory, right? We need to filter the how many files will have. In the sense we should use pipe symbol and then ls hyphen l, then pipe symbol WC, then hyphen l, then you're going to get 163 files will have into dev directory. It may be files or directories, whatever it may be. How many directories will have, how we need to filter? Tell me. In dev directory, how many directories will have, we need to filter? I need number. ls hyphen l, pipe, grep, cap, super, right? D. Very good. How many directories will have in उतना ही है मैडम क्यों कंफ्यूज हो रहे हो super really guys simply super very good right so clear see we are discussing about filter command you are asking about how to know the disk size what man Mr. Ibrahim Abdul what we are discussing what you are asking please focus on it right clear so I hope you're clear about grep and WC right word count right next command will say next less command less also filter command right guys usually how you're going to print the content of the file cat for example etc password we have huge content it got scrolled now I need to read the starting line then how can we able to navigate Cat is a command, it will print the standard output, right? So how we can able to read the like previous content, like so we have 2 pages content, one page it got scroll up, I need to read the first line, then how? It's not possible with the help of cat command, right? Cat, it will print the standard output. If we having 100 lines, so only few last lines we can able to find, because our screen hardly it having 15 inches, right? Yes, no. Last 20 to 30 lines we can able to see. If we having 100 lines, we are going to scroll up 50 lines before 30. Yes, no. Then we need to read the content of the file. How we need to read the content? We need to navigate the file, then only we can able to read the content of the file. So navigation means scroll up, scroll down, right? So how we need to navigate the file content? With the help of less command. I hope you got it, guys. Less is a filter command. We can able to navigate the content of the file, and as well as we can able to navigate the output also. I'll show you, don't worry, practically. Got it, guys? Less is a command. Less is a command. Then simple, guys. etc password is a file. etc password is a file. Then hit enter. Right? You can use up arrow and down arrow to navigate the file content. This is first line. Then small gg, capital G also you can use. Page up and page down. Small gg, page up. But that means starting of the page. Capital G, end of the page. Those options also, if you want, you can use. Got it, guys? Yesterday we discussed about small gg and capital G. Those both options, it will work to navigate the content of the file. You need to go to the starting of the page. Small gg you can use. Capital G, end of the page, right? Then use navigation keys according to your requirement. You can scroll up and can scroll down. Okay. Apart from that, we have few options now we are going to discuss in less command. B, D, D for next page, guys. Maybe if you're having 4 to 5 pages, so we are into starting page, we need to go to second page. D, D for doll. D, guys, D, D for doll. Right? So D, next page. B, next page. P for boy, previous page. Okay. In less command, we have your option D, next page. B, previous page. Right? D for next page. B for previous page. Right? So let's see here. If you're using B, previous page. If you're using D, next page. If you want, you can use page up, page down keys also, guys. We'll have page up and page down keys, right? So if you want, you can use page up and page down keys also according to your requirement. So usually we'll have few options in less. D for next page, B for previous page. Use the navigation keys to navigate the content of the file. Right. Now we need to filter few words. I need to find whether the word is available or not. Forward slash. To search the word from file, we need to use forward slash. Right? So forward slash to search the words, right? So got it, guys. Forward slash. Now we are trying to searching the word called LP. 3 LP words will have. Guys, Linux is a very simple if you're focusing on it. Did you feel any difficulty as of now? It's a very simple. First of all, you need to remove the fear from your mind. That's it. Got it, guys? It's a very simple, but you should do the practice every day. At least 30 minutes. I don't know how many people you are doing. If you're doing practice, then you are going to get benefit. Otherwise, बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है. Right? So clear, guys. LP is a word we can able to find out, right? So forward slash. Then, for example, we are trying to finding SY and C. See, you can find out the words according to your requirement. Okay, FTP. How many FTPs will have we can able to find out, right? So your wish, guys. RPC. How many RPCs word will have we can able to find out? Clear. Now, can we able to edit the file content with less command? can be able to edit the file content. You are try to reading your file, guys. Maybe there is a one mistake there, right? You need to modify that. Then how we need to modify? We need to quit from less, and again we need to open this file with VI or VIM editor. Then we should modify. Doesn't need. Directly you can switch from less to VI editor, not to VIM. We can able to switch into VI editor. I hope you got it, guys. So how? V for victory. V is an option. We are going to switch into VI editor. Got it, guys? So not VIM, only VI. Right? So it's a very easy, guys. V less to VI editor. V is an option. We are going to switch from less to VI editor. V is an option. We are into VI editor now. I insert, then type according to your requirement. You can edit the content, right? Then escape, WQ, save and quit. We are back to less now. Q is option. We are quit from less. Q is option, quit from less. I hope you got it, guys. Clear? It's a very simple, hardly 4 to 5 options will have, right? So less is a command, etc password is a file name. Guys, it's not like this. You need to use etc password. We doesn't have the files. We need huge content for doing the practice. Because of that reason, we are taking few configuration files from our operating system. If you want, you can use your own file also. It's not a problem. You can create file and then add the content, maybe 30 lines, 40 lines content you can add. Then you can do the practical sessions. Got it? Right? See here. So again, we are going to open less. In less, D next page, B previous page. / to search the words. Right? We are searching the word. Right? Next, V to enter into the editor. Less to VI editor. So let's see here. Got it, guys? Then escape, save and quit. We are back to less. Q to quit from editor. Sorry, to quit from less command. You know very well how we need to quit from editor, WQ. R:*Q. Without saving, you need to quit in the :Q. Then you need to save and quit in the sense WQ, :WQ. Then we need to quit from less. Q is option. I hope you're clear. So frequently we are going to use like this options in less command. Guys, for example, so we are into dev directory. Now, if you execute ls-l command, right? If you execute ls-l command, we got a huge content, right? We got a huge content. So the starting lines, we scroll up, right? So we doesn't have starting lines, only last few lines will have. Actually, we'll have more than 160 files, 160 lines will have. I need to filter starting of the line. I need to know the starting of the line. With the help of less, it's not possible. Along with less, we should use less. Along with ls, we should use less. I hope you got it. ls is a command. It will list out the content of your directory. Then we are trying to adding less command with ls. Then we can navigate using pipe symbol. So two multiple commands we need to execute at a time. In a sense, use pipe symbol in between. Then hit enter. See, guys, this is starting line. Then you can navigate. Got it? Small gg, d, whatever if you want, you can use same options. If you want, you can filter. So here, can we able to edit? We are unable to edit because this is directory, right? I hope you got it. How you can able to edit the directory? It's not possible, right? So Q to quit from less. We are back to terminal. I hope you're clear how we need to use less. If you want, you can navigate the file content. If you want, you can, maybe if you're trying to executing few commands, you're getting huge output. You need to read that output. You need to navigate that output. Add less command, you can navigate it. Clear? I hope you got it, guys, right? Good, very good. Next, more. More and less both are same options. But what is the difference between more and less? etc password is a file. More etc password, more command, it will show you the content of the file percentage wise. 53% we can able to say now. Assume this, we have 100 lines, right? 100%. From 100 lines, we can able to see 53 lines, 53%. The total content, assume this, we have 100 lines, right? By default here, we can able to see 53. Matlab 53 lines we can say. 53%. The total content, in the total content percentage wise we can see here 53% we can able to see. Hit enter. Hit enter. 56, 59. So like this you can. We need to hit enter. Same options. B next page, D previous page. / to find, V to enter into the editor. You can edit the content of the file. So what we used, less command. In less command, what kind of like options we use? The same options you can use. More and less both are same. We doesn't have any difference. Only one difference, it will show you percentage wise. The content, it will show you percentage wise. Got it, guys? Q to quit, you're back to terminal. Less and more both are same. Got it, guys? Clear? Yes, no? Good. Next. If you're having any doubts, any questions, please, guys. Man, बताऊंगा सब कुछ, okay? So you should have some patience. Man is different. Man is different, okay? More and less both are same, ma. Pushkar. How we are using the options and less command, same options you can use more. But more, it will show you the content of the file percentage wise. Simple. Apart from this, we doesn't have any difference between less and more. Got it? Clear? Right. Next. Head. Head is a command. Head is a command, right? etc password. Guys, head by default behavior. Excuse me, guys. It will print starting 10 lines. Head, what it will do? By default behavior of the head command, it will print starting 10 lines. Head is a command. It will print by default starting 10 lines from your file. If you're having 20 lines, if you're having 30 lines, even if you're having 40, 50 lines, head command, it will print by default 10 lines from your file content. Starting 10 lines it will print. Got it, guys? End of the page ko kyun ja rahe ho, madam? So what I am saying, I am trying to teaching to you people about head command, what I said, and then if you're using head command, you are going to get starting 10 lines from your file content. फिर end of the file को क्यों जा रहे हो? Head is a command, head and file name. So you are going to get the starting 10 lines from your file. Got it? I don't know why you have this much of confusion. Clearly, I'm saying head is a command. It will print starting 10 lines from your file. If you're having 20 lines, if you're having 30 lines, whatever it may be, it will print only 10 lines by default. Right? You need only 10 lines, starting 10 lines. Use head is a command. Then etc password is a file. Then hit enter. It will print starting 10 lines. By default, head behavior. it will print starting 10 lines. If you need starting 4 lines only, you can add hyphen 4, right? Or N4 also you can give. Then etc password, it will print starting 4 lines from your file content. If you want, you can give 20 lines. If you want, you can give 30 lines. Whatever, if you want, you can give, depends upon your requirement. If you're providing 6 lines, you're going to get the starting 6 lines. Simple, guys. Head without any option, if you're providing the file name, it will print starting 10 lines from your file content. According to your requirement, we need to print the lines starting 20 lines if you need, starting 4 lines if you need. Then you need to provide the option hyphen 20, hyphen 6, hyphen and 20, like this you can give. Clear? Got it? Tail is a command. Tail is a command. Last 10 lines. That's it. You can use anything, man, but the file it should available Lakil. etc password is available. If you want, you can use etc group also. etc group also, it's available. Just we are trying to considering this is a one text file because we doesn't have the much time to create the files here. Okay. So for doing the demonstration, okay. So tail space file name, then it enter. Last 10 lines. Last line to 10 lines. Right? Last 10 lines, right? Same options you can give here. Hyphen 4. Last 4 lines we are going to get. Now you people, you will ask one doubt. Sir, we are getting starting 10 lines and last 10 line. How we need to filter in between the lines? I know. So ఇంకా ఎవరు అడగలేదని చూస్తున్నా నేను. So that is also we'll discuss not now while we are discussing about AWK at the time. It's not possible with head and tail. We should use some different filter command at the time. Okay. Hyphen F, it's a continuation, guys. At present doesn't need, right? While we are discussing about what we say, log management at the time, but we doesn't have the log management and those all stuff. Okay. Clear? We doesn't have log management, everything we are going to discuss in admin course. So if you having any situation, I will tell you about F also. F continuation. What you are trying to doing the action, you need to monitor that, right? At the time, we are going to use F, head F, tail F. F means it is not going to print the standard output. It will wait for continuation. For example, tail have option will have, then etc password we are providing. So it is not going to print the standard output. It will wait for an event. So if you try to doing action somewhere, the action, if it is reflecting here, then it's one kind of monitoring tool. We can able to monitor live dynamically what type of like content it is updating. Because of that reason, we are going to use tail hyphen F. So at present doesn't need, no need to bother. Got it? So I hope you got it, guys, right? It won't print the standard output. If you're providing tail directly, if you're providing the password, it will print the output, standard output. See, we got a prompt, but if you're providing F, you won't get the prompt. It will wait for an event. Action के लिए wait करते रहेगा ये. Right? Those all different story. You are into very initial stage now. Got it, guys? Right. So clear about head and tail. So clear, guys, about head and tail, right? Sort. Sort is a command to sort out the file content. We'll do one thing. We'll create one file and we are going to add ABCDs into one file, right? So how to create the file? Cat space greater than file name. For example, we can give any file name, file2. Then we are writing ABCDs, but not into assigning order. Right, guys? So you can write B, C, A, D, G, E, H, F. Okay. G, H, I, K, J. So that's enough. Okay. Right, guys. So we have ABCDs. How you are going to print this file content? So always we are going to use cat file name file2. It will print the content of the file. But how you're getting this output? Not into assigning order, right? So this is a original file content. How will have the original file like the same way we are getting output, right? But our intention is while we are trying to printing this output of this file, I need the output in assigning order. Got it, guys? So simple. Sort is a command we should use. Then file2, then hit enters, it will print into assigning order. Got it, guys? I hope you're clear. So sort space and file name, then it will print into assigning order. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. I think two G's will have, right? So G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, right? By mistake, we have two G's. How we need to avoid? I need only one G. Guys, it will reflect only in output, not into original file. Remember, how we'll have the original file content like the same way we'll have. It's not going to modify into the original file. Just we are going to get into the assigning order in output itself only. Got it, guys? Clear? Sort then hyphen U, not you guys, R file2. I'll tell you about you later. Reverse assigning order, right? बताऊंगा वो भी बताऊंगा. अभी फिलहाल रिवर्स में कैसे प्रिंट करना चाहिए वो देख लो, right? Sort then file name, then if you providing sort file name without any option, it will print the content of the file in assigning order. Guys, it will only in output, not into original file. The original file data, how will have the like order, like the same way will have. It won't reflect into the original file. Only in output it will reflect. Okay. Sort hyphen R, reverse, designing order, right? Okay. So how to edit this file? VIM, file1, file2, right? Right. We are trying to adding multiple words, right? Two B's, two A's, then two, already two G's will have, right? Two D's and two I's. So like this duplicates letters will have, guys. Duplicates letters will have. Then can't, sorry, sort file2. So it will print along with the duplicates, right? We have two A's, two B's, two D's, two G's, and two I's like this will have. We need to avoid the duplicate letters. We need only single letter. Doesn't need two A's, doesn't need two D's, doesn't need two I's, those all stuff, right? Sort, then you can use hyphen U now. Sort hyphen U, then file2. We are going to avoid the duplicates. I hope you got it, guys, right? So, per single, hyphen U to avoid the duplicates letters, right? Hyphen U to avoid the duplicates, right? So I hope you got it, guys. Clear? Sort space hyphen U, then file name. It will avoid the duplicates. So like this frequently used options, we are going to use with sort command. So if you want, you can use sort like this also. You can use sort like this also. So it will sort with file name A, then B, C like this output. Right, guys? So I hope you got it. So how it is going to sort? Next, set, S-E-D, S-E-D, set. So we'll complete filter commands today. Then from tomorrow onwards, from tomorrow, guys, don't miss the tomorrow session. Tomorrow is a very, very important session we are going to discuss. Man command and redirectors. Real-time related redirectors we are going to discuss tomorrow. If you miss, I'm unable to help you. Got it, guys? Huh? Clear? Online. We have the session tomorrow. Tomorrow, no holiday. Right? Yeah, guys, we have the session tomorrow. And that too tomorrow, we are going to discuss very, very important session. Guys, I have my sentiments. How you'll have your sentiments. So to if you're enjoying like year end, you're going to enjoy total entire year. Like the same way, if I'm trying to teaching real time related questions in year end, the entire year you are going to perform real time questions only. Got it, guys? Huh? అంతే కదా ఎవరి సెంటిమెంట్స్ ఆడుకున్నాయి clear if I'm trying to take even if you want you can come Sunday also actually January 1st right if you are doing class first then we can able to do the like class for entire year right మీరు అనే డైలాగ్ అదే కదా మార్నింగ్ నుంచి ఒక్కొక్కళ్ళు క్లాస్ కంటే ఎక్కువ అయితే ఏం కాదు కదా సండేస్ వస్తారా కొంచెం ఏడబ్ల్యూ స్లోగా పోతుంది కదా సండే కంప్లీట్ చేసేద్దాం రైట్ గైస్ లెట్స్ సీ హియర్ సో నౌ set is a command this is a very very important command guys set full form steam editor set full form steam editor see guys year starting days we should active right so simply you are people's like you are making the plans to sleep right what you are going to do more than sleeping దానికంటే ఎక్కువ ఏం చేస్తారు హాస్టల్లో రాత్రి 12 దాకా మేలుకుంటారు కేక్ కోస్తారు తిని పడుకుంటారు అది తప్పించి ఇంకేం చేసేది లేదు అవునా కదా సరే ఓవర్గా మరీ డబ్బులు ఎక్కువ ఉంటే అక్కడెక్కడైనా పబ్బుల్లో పోయి మనం మాదాపూర్ పబ్బుల్లో పోతాము అది పరిస్థితి దానికంటే ఎక్కువ చేసేది ఏం లేదు అక్కడ డ్రంక్ అండ్ డ్రైవ్ లో రాత్రి పట్టుకుంటారు అది తప్పించి ఇంకేం లేదు సో లెట్స్ సీ గైస్ యా ప్లీజ్ డోంట్ డూ సో బీ కేర్ఫుల్ so especially tomorrow night guys so better to avoid the roaming so enjoy in your home itself only in your hostel itself only because don't go that side Madhapur and Edek city that side okay better to avoid the route because we doesn't know the how we'll have the situations even like usually in our weekend itself only so next day we are getting many news so because of that reason, better to avoid those all stuff. Okay. Enjoy. But in your home with your family members, with your friends, you can enjoy. Okay. Right, guys. Let's see here. Have you got any job also? So let's see. Steam as set means Steam editor. Steam editor. Right? So guys, what is the use of set command in sense? We can able to simple guys find and replace. We are trying to in Word application MS Word will have find and replace option, right? Like the same way, we can able to find the words we are going to replace the another word with or generally we have find and replace in Word document like the same way here in output, not into original file. How we need to replace in original file, we know already. Yesterday we done like with the help of EAM editor /s like the same way here also we'll have set command. Okay. So first of all, we need to create one file, guys. File 3. So this is a Linux class. Okay. while you are riding your bikes, while you are riding your four-wheelers, like while you are driving, please be careful. Please don't do like those old stuff, okay? Because life is very valuable for us, right? Yes, no. So be careful. Don't ride the bikes. I hope you know now, right? Especially boys, right? So this is a Linux class, and Linux is a open source operating system. Okay, Linux is a POSIX operating system. Then Linux is clone of Unix, right? Clear, guys? Linux is clone of Unix. Control D. How many lines will have in this file? 3 lines. So in 3 lines, how many Linux words will have? First line having one word, second line having one word, third line having two words, right? Two Linux words, right? Total 4 words will have, right? Okay, good. Now, how to print the content of the file? Usually we are going to use cat command. Cat file3, right? Cat file3, then hit enter. It will print the content of the file. Right, guys? Okay. Now we need to replace Windows Word with Linux in output, not into original file. Then we are going to use sed command steam editor. Open the single code as / Linux Windows 1 file name. Simple, guys. Got it? Sed is a command as we are searching the Linux word. Actually, it's not search. We have some different meaning. So we are trying to searching Linux word. We are replacing with Windows. See, guys, this is a Windows class. Instead of Linux class, we got a Windows class. Windows is an open source operating system. No, Windows is a closed source operating system, right? So Windows is a POSIX. No, it's a very heavyweight operating system. It's not a lightweight. Okay. See, guys, if you observe first letters, first words, it got changed, but second word it did change. Second word it didn't change, right? So second word Linux, why it's not changed? Because we provided one here. One means from your line first word only it will change. If you're providing two, right, it is going to change only second word from your line. We need to change everything. Q, G, globally, everything it will change. It may be first, it may be second word. Guys, I have given Google Drive link to you peoples. There you'll have the n number of the set command examples. So just how we need to use the set command, I'm trying to teaching to you peoples. We have the n number of the examples along with the description. No need to bother. This is a very, very important in real time. Set command, it's a very, very important in real time. Right, guys? Clear? Got it? So we have a number of the example. I have made one document related to SED. You have the document into Google Drive link. You can go through that if you need more examples. Right? Got it? That is for you complimentary, right? Enjoy. So clear, guys. Usually most of the people, they're not going to teach those many examples. So just set command, only one example they're going to teach, right? Better to go through those all the examples. You will have the short description, create one file, perform the task. Do the all the practical sessions, right? Good. Next, find command. Find. One indicate first word, two indicate second word, G indicate global, everything. Anil Reddy. Anil Reddy, please focus, Anil Reddy. Okay. So I hope you're using laptop, right? Find is a command. Guys, don't miss tomorrow's session online. So tomorrow we are going to discuss very important concept. We are going to finish all the basics. Tomorrow, from next year onwards, we are going to start administrative tasks. How we need to manage the users, how we need to manage the groups and those all stuff. From next year onwards, right? Okay. So find is a command, right guys? Usually you created one file, right? Got it, guys? You forgot that file. Where did you create it? You doesn't know where did you create it. Maybe in C drive, maybe in D drive. Example in Windows. Maybe before 4 months you created one file, right, guys? You are remember the file name, but where it got located, you doesn't know. How you are going to filter? How you are going to find? We'll have search option in Windows, right? So using the search option, we are going to find out that particular file. The related file name files, everything it will print along with the path. Like the same way coming to Linux will have find command. Right, guys? Find is a command, right? Forward slash. Guys, it's not like this. We need to provide forward slash. You need to provide the search directory name where you need to search. So for example, so and so directory, maybe we doesn't know where we created in the directory. So you can provide the search directory name. So it may be dev directory, it may be /etc, it may be /usr, whatever it may be can give. We are trying to providing forward slash means we are trying to searching the file into entire operating system. Forward slash represent top level directory. It's a root directory. It contain all the operating system related data and as well as our personal data also. Forward slash having entire operating system files, your personal files, your official files, whatever it may be. So because of that reason, I'm using forward slash. So forward slash is a search directory. It's not like this. You need to use forward slash. Maybe you have some idea. Okay, you created the directory inside, you created one file inside the etc. Then you can use /etc there. I hope you got it, guys, right? Hyphen name is option. Excuse me, guys. Find is a command. Find is a command, right? Forward slash search location space hyphen name. Hyphen name is an option. So we know the file name. We know the file name. Then we are trying to finding the file with the help of name. Okay. So Pavan antendu now. So clear? Got it, guys. So now we are trying to providing the file name called file1. Then hit enter. Now file1, we are trying to searching into entire operating system. Guys, no need to bother about this error. This is error first line, no need to bother. File1, where it got located inside the root directory. Very simple. If you know the file name, right? Find is a command. We doesn't know where the file1 it got located. Then we need to find out the path of file1. So find forward slash or directory name you can give. Space hyphen name is option. Name is option. Space find name we need to provide. So we have only one file called file1. It got located in root. Inside the root directory, we'll have the file1. So if you know names, then you can find out the files like this. It may be files, it may be directories, whatever it may be with name. So we have inode number, we doesn't know name. Assume this. Maybe we like mention the inode number somewhere I have the inode number of file, right? So we need to find out the file with inode number, right guys? How to get the inode numbers? ls-i is a command. ls-i is a command to know the inode numbers. So for example, find is a command, /-inum is option to find out the files with inode number, right? For example, we are trying to providing this inode number. Got it, guys? We are trying to providing this inode number. See, guys, what is initial setup-ks.conf file. So we provide the inode number for initial setup-ks.conf file. So you can able to filter the files with the help of inode numbers using inum option. Got it, guys? Now we need to find out the only block files. Got it? We need to find out only block files, right? Find is a command, /type is option. Got it, guys? -type is option. Then B, it will print block files. Where it got located? Inside the div, right? Dev dm2, dm1, dm0, sr0, sda2, 1, sda1, sda, those all block files, right? If you need character files, you can use C. Then you are going to get the character files. If you need directories, you can give D. You will get the directories. So these many directories will have in our operating system. If you need files, then don't give hyphen. F you need to provide. Got it, guys? F files. How many files will have into our operating system? We need to find. Then hit enter. Continuously you will get the output, because we'll have the number of the files in our operating system, right? Got it, guys? How we need to stop this? Control C. Control C to terminate, right? If you're getting the output continuously, you need to stop the output. In the sense, use Control C. So I hope you're clear, guys. -type is option. So with the help of type, we can able to filter the files, right? Next, -size. Find size. For example, I need 10 KB files. How many 10 KB files will have into our operating system? We need to find 10K. So these many 10 KB files will have. If you need to know the count, then how many files will have? We need to know. WC, that's it now. How many files? 1263 files will have. Those all errors, guys. Those all errors. No need to bother about errors. Got it? Clear? Good. So I hope you got it, guys. If you need more than 10 KB files, then 10K, add plus in front of the 10K. Then you are going to get the more than 10 KB files. You got it? You're going to get more than 10 KB files. Then if you need less than 10 KB files, minus, simple. You're going to get less than 10 KB files. So I hope you got it, guys. Clear? So Control C to stop. 10K means 10 KB files only it will print. If you're adding plus in front of the 10K, more than 10 KB files you will get. If you add the minus in front of the 10K, less than 10 KB files you will get. Got it? Right. So find /hyphen. Guys, are you feeling bored? No, right? I know, right. So find space /hyphen user. User is option. Now we are trying to finding particular user related data. For example, student is a user. Then this much of data, student user, it can able to manage, right? So group also you guys at present, we doesn't have any groups. Remember one thing, while you are trying to creating the user account, automatically one group also it will create. For example, we created student user, right? Automatically student group it will create. Then this is group related data. By default, primary group it will create, right? Got it, guys? ఇంకా 5 నిమిషాలు ఉంది, ఎందుకు ఏడుస్తున్నారు? So I hope you got it, guys. Clear? So groups, size, okay, and type. Then you can find out the inode numbers. So like this options we are going to use frequently, right? So clear, guys? So I hope you got it, right? Those all filter commands, guys. So actually we need to discuss about man command, man and redirectors. Tomorrow we are going to complete man command and redirectors both. Guys, both are very, very important, okay? Don't miss. Guys, you are going to celebrate like 31st night, like midnight 12 o'clock, right? మార్నింగ్ 6 నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేస్తారా? ఏం చేస్తారు? ఏంటమ్మా? So I hope you got it, right? Yes. Nitish. Tell me, Nitish. Guys, if you're having any doubts, any questions, please. So enjoy. You are from Ayush? So how to install? Go through that video, man. Then I have given the Google Drive link also to you people. So from that Google Drive link, you can download the image file, required softwares, then you can install. Linux installation product key, very good. Let's see here. Guys, so this is a product key for latest version, 17 version. So those all the product keys. If you want, you can take a snap. Snap le lo iska. So use any one product key, okay? ఏంటమ్మా? Yeah, I'll give you, Ibrahim. This is for 7. Any one key you can use, okay? Don't use all the keys, okay? Yeah, welcome, Swati. This is for 17. Who have 16? This is for 16. Okay? ఏంటి? This is a Google Drive link, Mr. Ibrahim, I think, right? Google Classroom link also, management, they will provide you. Then if you're having any questions, any doubts, you can. Then I will share this link into Google Classroom also. Don't worry. Okay. Got it? Right, guys. You can use for 15.6 Pro. If you want, you can use for 16 also. Same key, Praveen. Any one key you can use, man. So try those 4 to 5 keys. Okay. Almost like first key, it will work. So just you can use the first key, it will work. Okay. Right, guys. So thank you. Bye. ఎవరు వెళ్ళమన్నారు మిమ్మల్ని ఇప్పుడు directory properties it will display, right? Okay, guys, see you tomorrow. Bye. Take care. We'll celebrate tomorrow, guys. Okay. Here itself only with man command.